In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best survival kit. So let's get started. Number 7. Cause Survival Gear. The Cause Survival Gear emergency kit comes with a wide variety of tools to help you tackle survival scenarios. It comes in a waterproof carrying case, letting you take it on the go. The 18 emergency tools fall into different categories, including sterilizing agents, band-aids, and gauze for medical emergencies. The steel knife, screwdrivers, and bottle opener/saw are all made out of high-grade steel, helping you tackle wilderness settings with ease. The whistle and flashlight put a focus on sourcing assistance. This system's true value is that it gives you a full setup for a wide range of dangers. Number 6. RNS Star Paracord Survival. Surviving emergencies doesn't mean you have to break the bank. The RNS Star Paracord Survival Bracelet Gear Kit proves that with its friendly price point. This bracelet-style kit is compact and wearable, so you can always keep it on. It includes 5 different essential tools to help you get through any situation. The fire starter can keep you warm, while the whistle helps with both wildlife and to signal for assistance. When you get lost, the compass can help you find your way. It also incorporates a cutting tool to help you get through brush. The bracelet is made out of paracord, so you are never without a rope. Number 5. Ayakuwo Emergency Survival Kit. With the Ayakuwo Emergency Survival Kit, you get the benefit of premium quality supplies for all scenarios. All 47 tools come in a handy mall pouch, making the kit both compact and easy to take on the go. The 10-piece fishing set helps you source nourishment in the wild, while the fully equipped first aid kit will help you safely and efficiently address your injuries. There's an emergency blanket to prevent hypothermia and a flashlight to see in the dark. Multipurpose items include the knife, tactical pen, and compass. This well-equipped, premium survival kit is a useful system to keep on hand to stay prepared for anything. Number 4. Lumotec Adjustable Survival. Looking to flesh out your survival system without taking up too much space? The Lumotec Adjustable Survival Bracelet Kit is a good way to achieve this goal. Though it's compact, this kit includes 21 emergency supplies to help you stay alive in a difficult situation. The bracelet is made out of a strong, 10-foot paracord capable of holding 250 pounds. The kit also includes other survival tools, such as a large compass and a bright light to signal for help. The fire starter helps you cook and stay warm. With a thermometer for medical assessment and a knife for utility, this kit includes all the basics for on-the-go survival. Number 3. Rumba Dock Survival Multi-Tool Card. If you are trying to find a tool-focused survival solution, consider the Rumba Dock Survival Multi-Tool Card Emergency Kit. The set comes with 22 tools, all attached to a rectangular shape. This way, the kit stays together until you need it. You can remove the pieces one by one or together. Bear in mind that it doesn't come with a bag, so it helps to keep these tools together after opening. The kit includes fishing tools, archery tips, tweezers, sewing needles, 2 survival saws, and more. This kit is more focused on security and sourcing food in wilderness settings, and does not include emergency supplies. Number 2. Ayakuwo 126 PCS. Next on our list is the Ayakuwo 126 PCS, uniquely customized by the U.S. military veterans and perfect for first responders, tactical medics, military personals, firefighters, and policemen. This kit incorporates 28 pieces of emergency and survival gear, 10 fishing tools, 16 medical supplies, and a 4-in-1 mall EMT pouch to carry all your essentials. This survivor's kit from Ayakuwo comprises essentials such as a folding knife, wire saw, pen, fire starter, compass, emergency blanket, flashlight, tactical defense whistle, saber card, bottle clip, carabiner, and many more. The inclusion of a 3-mode tactical flashlight comes in handy when in the dark. Furthermore, the first aid kit ensures that wounds, cuts, and scraps are instantly dealt with. Number 1. Ready America 70280. Specifically designed for the sustenance of 2 individuals for up to 3 days, Ready America 702080 is the best budget-friendly survival gear on our list for individuals who have a liking for the outdoors. Among other survival essentials, the kit can carry food and water, the fundamental essentials required for surviving the outdoors. Ready America's emergency kit incorporates Mayday Industries food with a prolonged shelf life. The 2,400-calorie food bars are sufficient for 2 individuals. Furthermore, the emergency kit's food is guaranteed to withstand temperatures ranging from -22 to 149. As for the water, this best emergency gear includes 12 Mayday Industries emergency drinking water packets. Each pack is 4.225 ounces and has a long shelf life.